everyone, welcome to my channel Baking with Nupur and Baker's Delight. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe which has nothing to do with baking. Yes, so today I'll be sharing a very easy recipe of a pudding without the use of gelatin or agar. It is that simple, guys. With just a few ingredients easily available at any of our houses and homes, you can make this delicious pudding. Just see how beautiful this looks. And look at that wobble. Can you believe that? That is without agar or gelatin. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Not waste any more time and let's begin. So first what we need is I've taken this 200 ml pack of milk and I've taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of sugar. ये घर की पिसी हुई चीनी है. And I've taken a spatula, 1 chammach, some rose flavoring, mousse cups. You can use any. You can even use the bowls that you have at home. And this is Amul cream, which we will use in the end. So in this pan, first I will pour this milk, 200 ml milk. Now adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar you can increase or decrease as per your liking. Just flatten your spatula and just make sure everything is dissolved. We are going to turn up the heat. And because we have added corn flour in this, we need to constantly stir this. So in just about a minute, you'll see कि आपका जो है ऐसा thickness आ रहा है इसमें. ये देखिए कैसे थिक हो रहा है ये. तो अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे इसमें, we'll just add in about 1/4 teaspoon of rose essence and we'll keep on mixing this. But ज़्यादा देर के लिए हमें इसे mix नहीं करना है. We just need to mix this for about half minute or so, which is 30 seconds. And now I'm gonna take this cream, 1 tablespoon cream, and अब इसको we do not need to mix it for a very long time. Bas another minute and we'll take it off. Now as you can see, at this point we are gonna turn the gas off and we are gonna pour this into our molds. Now be remember to be a little quick when you do this, because this will start setting very fast. So we'll just be quick with this. We have poured this in our molds. And now we are going to put them in the fridge to set for 10 minutes. And then I'll show you the next half of it. Now for the second half, what we need to do is, we need to take 150 ml of water. So we've taken 150 ml of water, and in this water I'm going to add 1.25 teaspoons of corn flour. After adding the corn flour, we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of rose syrup. If you don't have rose syrup, you can use red color and essence, rose essence. But adding rose syrup really gives it that beautiful flavor. And keep on mixing again because we need this to dissolve completely. See kitni jaldi ye hamara, this is forming like a gel and it has thickened up so quickly. See if you can see the consistency here. It's already thickened up like a gel. So once this has become like a jelly, we will take them off these bowls. And now if you touch them, you'll see कि ये हाथ में नहीं चिपक रहा है. So now we've turned off the gas. And we're going to pour this on top. I'll just quickly pour them in, these three, and then we are going to freeze this. And if you have jelly left, you can use another empty bowl and keep it. There. See how beautiful it is? And now we are going to put this back in the fridge to set for another 10 to 15 minutes. I garnished them on top with some almonds and cashews. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video was really helpful to you.